It's day 183 of the Feathered Quest, and today's bird of the day is the Carolina Chickadee. Where their ranges overlap, Carolina and black-capped chickadees sometimes mix, and their hybrid offspring can sing either song or something perfectly in between. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, do we find our bird of the day?